In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an invoice in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll be able to confidently generate and send a professional invoice to your customer, all from within your Zoho Books account. Let's start at the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to books.zoho.com. This is the main sign-in page for Zoho Books. Log in with your usual account credentials, and once you're in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. This is where you can see an overview of your finances, but for now, we're going to focus on creating that invoice. Next, look for the main navigation menu, usually on the left side of the screen. From this menu, click on the section labeled Sales. The sales area is where Zoho Books groups everything related to money coming into your business, like invoices, estimates, and customer payments. Clicking Sales will expand a list of options underneath it. From the expanded sales menu, click on Invoices. This takes you to the Invoices page, where you can see a list of all the invoices you've created so far, along with their status, such as drafted, sent, paid, or overdue. This page is helpful for tracking what's been billed and what's still outstanding, but right now we're going to add a brand new invoice. To do that, find and click the button that says New Invoice. It's usually located near the top right corner of the Invoices page. When you click this, Zoho Books opens a blank invoice form. This is where you'll fill in all the important information for your customer and the products or services you're billing for. Now it's time to enter the details. Start with your customer information. Choose an existing customer from the drop-down list, or if this is a new customer, add their details so you can reuse them in the future. Then set the invoice date and, if needed, the due date. Many businesses use standard payment terms like net 15 or net 30, but you can choose what works best for this particular invoice. Next, move down to the item or service details section. Here you'll add each product or service you're charging for. Select the item, enter the quantity, and make sure the rate and tax settings are correct. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the line totals, any taxes, and the overall invoice amount as you go. Take a moment to double check everything, quantities, prices, and tax percentages, so you avoid any surprises for your customer. You can also adjust things like discounts, shipping charges, or notes if those apply. Use the notes or terms section to add any important information, such as payment instructions, return policies, or a friendly thank you message. Clear notes can reduce confusion and make it easier for your customer to pay on time. Once you're happy with all the details and you've reviewed the totals, you're ready to finalize it. Look for the button that says Save and Send and click it. Zoho Books will save the invoice to your account and open up the option to email it directly to your customer. You'll usually see a preview of the email and the attached invoice. This is a good time to quickly check the recipient's email address and the message content. After confirming everything looks right, go ahead and send it. Your invoice is now created, saved, and on its way to your customer. That's all it takes to create an invoice in Zoho Books, from opening the site to sending a polished professional invoice.